Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I brought Raisin Cane. I don't think I've done this before. I did get some Coca-Cola. Oh, it is so icy. I don't know if you guys can. They use one of those like slushy ice. I don't know if you guys can see it. Nice. Cheers. I got the Kenya combo that comes with 6 chicken fingers, fries, 1 Texas toast. I did make a separate order for extra Texas toast and the cane sauce, pickles, leftover pickles, and I got the sandwich, chicken sandwich, and it does come with the coleslaw. Try the toast. Mmm. Mmm. I think this sauce kind of has that pickly sour taste to it, so it kind of catches all that oily part of fries and the chicken. Mmm. 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 Yes. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Hold his eyes. Can I use a straw? Oh, so refreshing. Mm-hmm. Let's try this. I feel like there's a different kind of sauce in here than this. It's a bit sweeter. I think I was the first customer of the day. This is so cold. It's hurting my teeth.
Spilled everything.
You know, actually, the first time I had Raisin Cane is when Tony and I were coming back from Delaware, where our friend's wedding happened. So we drove there and we drove back, and we arrived in Chicago around like 11 or 12ish at night, and you know, we were hungry, and I was in like the back of the trunk sleeping, but we were hungry. Like before we came home, we're like, let's eat something, and McDonald's was closed. Basically everything was closed except for Raisin Cane, and we never tried it before. And I'm not really I'm not really a chicken finger person, but that night when I tried it, oh my god, it was like juice, like it was so good, so juicy. You know, like one of the reasons why I don't like chicken fingers, a lot of times, most of the time I had it was so dry, but this so moist, still crispy. I think that's why it's so popular. And we all know that chicken fingers and fried chicken are different. So if there's chicken finger on the menu, it'll be the last thing that I order. If I order chicken fingers, there really must be nothing on the menu that I like.